Spend a lot of time indoors? Have you given much thought to the air you're breathing? If you have asthma or are like me and suffer from allergies, you might be surprised that the air in your home could be aggravating these problems. Today, we have 3 DIY solutions that could help you breathe a little easier indoors. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. We all deal with air pollutants every day, but we really don't want to have to think about it being in our homes. Some of the most common pollution that lives in the home are things like carbon dioxide, which has no way to be cleaned in our homes naturally, or mold and mildew in places like bathrooms where moisture levels are a little bit higher. In today's episode, we have 3 DIY ideas to help you breathe a little easier. Tip 1. Use activated charcoal air purifiers. Activated charcoal is a natural and safe way to help remove contaminants and odors from your air and has been around for decades. It can also be used in many forms, from air purifier bags you can place in problematic rooms to filters that can be used in everything from your vacuum to even your home's ventilation. Tip 2. Add some indoor plants. Plants are excellent at filtering contaminants like carbon dioxide out of your home's air. Beyond that, they look nice and can be used to improve decor. If you go this route, double check to make sure any plants you use are inaccessible or safe if you have pets. Tip 3. Use natural cleaning products. Keeping a clean home is essential for clean air, but the wrong cleaning products could negate some of the positives. When possible, use entirely natural cleaning products like vinegar that leave behind no air pollution. And there you have it. Have you used any of these things in your home or plan to try them? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to know more about what we offer here at Peterman to improve your indoor air quality, check out the links in the description. We'll see you next week for an all-new Homeowner's Handbook.